What away? Yewe.
But the blood of his greatest enemy is
Why
his
you
own.
this guy me way? Why? Why you this guy? Empire of Assassins. Ubwami bw'abicanyi niko filime yiswe Please. Ntabwo ari yewe urumva. Turatangiye. Izina rya filime ritari ryogeho barakwereka tutangira n'abagabo zari zije bambaye zityo urumva uko zirajya he katrori. Hey! Izina ritari ryogeho. Hari umugabo arwana. What away? Yewe. Name. Eshatu. Bagabo ziriyana.
Keep going.
Kill, keep going. Mubice kandi mukomeze mugenda mujya imbere. Mama amesema, mama aravuze. Mota mujari. Moto mujari. King amesema, mami yavuze. Kill them and keep going. Mubice kandi mukomeze mubataka. Yewe.
Kill them all.
Mubice bose. Kill them all. Mubice bose. Mami yavuze. Kukagabo kebuke muri Red Fist. Bari bazi ko ingome se. Kanyara abonye nyari.
Major martial arts schools
Niwe mwami.
will dare oppose us now.
No one saw you, did they?
Sasa umwami barangije cyabategetse yarababwiye ngo nibabice kandi bice bose. Kuboko ari w'icyuma. Bashenjisha. Kanyara abonye.
We crushed the 10 major martial arts schools.
We crushed the 10 major martial arts schools. Amashuri icumi yose yigisha martial arts nibijyanye n'imirwanire. Yose twayarimbuye Nyagasani.
Dare oppose us now.
Nta numwe, nobody can dare oppose us now. Nta numwe wazigera hangana nawe Nyagasani.
No one saw you, did they?
Rest assured, those who saw us were already dead.
Nabababonye Nyagasani n'abatubonye bapfuye. Raka. Empire of Assassins. Ubwami bw'abicanyi niko filime yiswe Please. Ntabwo ari yewe urumva. Dutangira duti abakinnyi ngabo urumva. Abazi gusoma noneho. Ririya season urumva nge ririya rimwe nirindi ngiriri. Noneho dore nandi mazina 4 urumva. Urabona ndabiri. Okay. Urumva. Filime yo twayibonye dore nirindi zina Please urumva. Dore nandi mazina 1 2 3 4 5 6 urumva. 1 2 urumva na mazina Please filime iratanye yitwa Empire of Assassins dore nandi mazina. King Kanyarabonye. Mwami ni Kanyarabonye. Niyo mazina y'inyakuri.
Master.
Metere, Master murakaza. Turabaherekeza Master sha mu buririsha ariko urabona gukura shaka unabari birikomeye. Uherekezwa n'abantu benshi baragushagara. Izira umuntu ukomesha gukomera ariko ninde utabishaka.
Leave.
Mugende. Leave. Wumvishe kuna bategeka Kanyarabonye arabyimba sha bakuru barabyimba ariko muzandebe nanjye ngenda mu muhanda ariko. Yes. Hega gukura si ibintu byo ariko uziko buri muntu wese ashaka kuba umuyobozi we. Metire. Urumva. Duri gitanda. Icyababwira je waho ndara none.
Leave.
Mugende. Urumva. Kanyarabonye. Mwibwa muri fato move. ari wo rupara rikizopara bari kumwe na cya kigabo cy'ubitama bita samahongo nduhora Daka umuhozi King Daka King yewe Rwabugiri aracira Rwabugiri bapfa kumutera we bande who are you Mwamariana Revenger Umve
Who are you?
Urinda ariko
What do you want?
Shaka iki
It doesn't matter who I am,
Uwondi wese ngombwa
but answer me.
Subiza
Do you remember 15 years ago?
Myaka 15
The
uribuka
entire family of Zhang Hen was slaughtered.
Umuryango wa Zanga wose uhitana
Are you
Urinda ariko
the Revenger?
umuhozi uje guhora aba bita amuhozi King Rwabuguru nako Rwabugiri yewe aracira Mariana hey we King Mwami we Mwami King Mataba Mwami Mexico tona yahari hey Babo de gadi umwami nabahari umwami arirwanira mu cyumba cye kandi Rwabugiri King Revenger uhora ntago bimworoheye Aturushi King Mwamari yari afite imbaraga zidasanzwe supernatural powers extraordinary powers cyabonye bikomeye gicaho kumbe hanze hari agakobwa kitambitse fighter Kajari amushenji Mwami ba bodyguard batarivanga n'abandi ba bodyguard twabona umukobwa Empire of Assassins Mwami bw'abicanyi Fight yewe yarababari yaragiye kugahasha barakareba arababarira kobwa kikanzemo karonye umwitanya karenzeho hasi ciao dore ba bodyguard
You are no match for him.
You are no match for him ntabwo uriya mwicanyi wakwegereranya nawe yabwiye agakobwa
Father,
data
who is he?
ninde data ninde kumba abagenerali ba muzehe
Uncle, what happened?
Uncle bigenze bite
A thief broke into the palace. Quickly, find the intruder.
A thief broke into the palace. Quickly find the intruder. Umujura yinjiye ibwami. Vuba mushake uwo muntu watwinjiriye. Find the intruder. Bashaka intruder kumbe yageze kare hanze ngo ari mariru. Gabaza umwami zakurikiye. Generali nimwishwa w'umwami amwita uncle yarayoboye ingabo bageze intruder baramutangira Avenger Bogis amurobye nk'ifi
Gotcha.
ndagufite
No way out this time.
From out there.
ntabwo uri bucike barakubekesha bafite ibyuma ibigohi byabo bimwe bajya kurobesha impuza zo mu ishyamba ingurube z'ishyamba bicitsemo rwagize iri bwami we fighters rwagize iri bwami yewe rwanyiza kwa kwa nyagasani wanyize ibwami uyu musore yaje agiteye ibwami yewe fight Uganda ariko ninde wahakanaga ngo iyi filime ni yayireba nyagupfa yewe fight ariko yakanaga iki please mundebere ko ungutse kuva kare inyungu zitangiye karera Uganda bogis Raka please arongera aracika Usheshera dore ndwanyi bwamagiye he agiye iki agengo murye kumbe bamukubitaguye General Mwishwa umwami gatwe kabi worupara
But nowhere.
Now what he's going nowhere. Simbu taraguye maze. Taragenda. Yanutse gwanu hari ibicu musha bateze munsi aho ngaho kumbe ni benshi baguyemo. Gabaza umwami ziramucekera ari muzima. Bamushenje.
Got you, little bird.
Ndagufite igicucu. Mereza shankwereke.
You're going nowhere.
Naho ujya sha wamushenje.
You wanted to run away?
Washaka gucika undi mwambe mukundi kuboko.
Hey, bird.
Gicucu.
This is good practice.
Nditoza neza uyu munsi. Ndagufite.
A dead bird right here.
Uri umupfa wa kigoryiwe.
Stop now!
Murekere nona mwami yari yizi. Azabyimbye sha rwabuguru sha. Ekoje.
Hey!
Hey.
Jet. We must find out where he's from.
Tumwimwica tugomba kumenya haturuka.
Thing.
Oya.
He's very dangerous.
Ni mubi cyane.
And a threat to our father.
Nini kibazo kuri data.
We must kill him.
Tumwice kumwina musaza kagakobwa.
See that?
Papa
Be
sibyo.
quiet.
Cecekaho.
Yeah, he came for a reason.
Yaje kubwa impamvu.
He's not alone.
Ntabwo ari wenyine afite n'abandi bakorana buri. Abana mwami bavuga bamufungira n'amaho. Mukizibaho yari yaguyemo. Fuwe. Niko.
Him for sure.
Who's he?
You remember Zheng Heng?
Sure. He died 15 years ago.
Zangura mwibuka undati yarapfuye imyaka 15 yahise.
His son's here to avenge him.
Uriya n'umuhungu waje guhorera se Zanga twishi. His son is here to avenge him. Ayiwe, mukizibaho yari yaguyemo sha bagirebye neza usanga ni imirambo myinshi yahaguye. Mukizibaho. Nimba afungiye. Imyambi bari bamutesha burizi ko umwambi wari yohuye n'urukuta biriya bikora umugabo bigasiba undi simba besha agiye uzakandagira ihurebe ntushobora no kuryikura ngo baje mukamandura yarihamburamo imyambi yarihandura imyambi mister arangije arasutama yaraje guhorera se bishimye abantu zashiriye hano.
I'll go kill him right now.
Reka mwice nora uburetse nyagupfa we nawe. Buretse umva rero wa mwana w'umugore we. Nimwishwa w'uyu mwami sasa bishwa b'umuntu abari abana bamushikiwe.
15 years.
Imyaka 15.
Right time.
Ni igihe cyanyacu.
Just as I planned.
Ubuse simwe mwamuneje.
Who are you? Are there any feuds between our families? Why did you try to kill my father?
Hari ikibazo hagati y'umuryango wanjye we n'uwanjye kuki washatse kwica data?
I have a strange feeling.
Mfite imitekerereze isanzwe kuri wowe.
We must know each other.
Tugomba kumenyana, we must know each other.
I'll kill you with my arrows if you refuse to tell me your name.
Ndakwicisha imyambi yanjye niwanga kumbwira izina ryawe. I kill you with my arrows.
I heard.
Numvise ngo ufite agakarito k'ibanga kagaragaza intwaro z'ibanga.
I'll bet you can't shoot my ornament.
Ntabwo wambeshye igenda umwamikazi ndi umugabekazi. Ndagufasha ariko.
Take aim.
Ndapima turebe.
Missed me. Now my turn.
Nigikora iki?
Think fast.
Fata vuba.
Hey!
Wait.
That's excellent medicine for those wounds.
Uwo umuti mwiza n'uwizo nguma. That's excellent medicine for those wounds. Nguwo ni umuti mwiza w'izo nguma zawe for those wounds. Wound ni uruguma. Wounduzi ni inguma nyinshi. Urumva? Together tubisubiremo sibyo? Wounds ko mutavuga. Urakoze cyane. Nada. Mwongere. Wounds. Brother, father. Icyo ni cyongereza cyanyakariro. Izo dawo zituruka nizo zinyica gusa. Ngwe nada ngo together. Father, brother. Izo dawo zijya. Yes, cyagariwe.
Father.
That. Ntabwo wumva uyu ngo father. Urumva aravuga za father. Da mu bacha uvuga dara kapfa gusa. Kaga ko.
What do you want?
Shaka iki? What do you want? Shaka iki? Qu'est-ce que tu cherches ici? S'il vous plaît, je t'en prie, d'accord. Hey, merci, je connais beaucoup. Faire attention pour dégrader moi.
I am your son. I was raised by you.
Data narezwe nawe. I was raised by you.
If not for you,
Yataba wowe.
I would have died.
I would have died. Nari gupfa yataba wowe. Sasa uyu mwami akakagabo nako yitoraguriye akakana kari nyuma ikamwita se.
My father.
Uri data, you're my father.
Well, then.
Your father muyijana hiyo da. Mwana wanjye.
Wu-Ming came to kill me, to assassinate your father this day.
Umugabo yaje kunyica, kwica so uyu munsi.
What will you do?
Wakora iki? Data.
I know my duty.
Nzi inshingano zanjye. I know my duty. Umwami kuko nuriya mwana yamutoraguye nawe yatangiye kutamwizera arakeka ko yakoranye na kera cyica cyaje kwica umwami. Sasa iki kigoryi bagishyiriyeho ingazi ni cyamenye bagishyiriye ingazi mu kizibaho ngicyo mu nzira kivuyeyo hasi kirimo gitaha. Ushaka kwica umwami ugataha utyo kumbe bari bagiteze ambush kiri kuri ambishikade. Ambishikade my friend, ambishikade. Icyo ni Gifaransa, mu Gifaransa ambush ngo na ambishikade.
You.
To take care of business.
Move.
I want to see what skills you have.
Umva sasa bamaze guhura n'umwana w'umwami wumva amagambo bavuganye. Please mwumve, je t'en prie.
So, Wang Qingjiang, you.
To take care of business.
Wowe urashaka iki? Take care of business. Nje kujya unita kuri business.
I want to see what skills you have.
I want to see what skills you have. Nshaka kureba ubuhanga bwawe aho bungana mu mirwanire.
Or I kill you.
Mbere yuko nkwica nshaka kubanza guhangana nawe. Baraka umwana w'umwami ni cyitanye assassin to the son of the king, to the prince kuri assassin. Focus. Hey! Baraka! Ibi! Nitany! Mwana w'umwami! Yewe dore feringisi nimbweti we! Please naramukubita umutwe! Batakajya ari ifi! Yewe! Focus! Fight! Assassin mwicanyi. Umwana w'umwami, please muni.
Don't force me.
Wimatiriza.
I will.
Ndagukubita.
Committed a capital crime.
Wakoze ibyaha bihambaye.
I'll kill you.
Ndakwica yewe. Yewe. Abwiye umwana w'umwami ngo ndagukubita. Wimatiriza. Umwana w'umwami yaza kumva. Mitari. Yewe. Bagis. Yewe. Fight. Rugamba. Rugamba. Kick. Mchanyariano. Assassin. Fight. Fight. Bogus. Tebjiri. Yawe mwana w'umwami bara. Rugamba we. Yamubwiye ngo don't force me. Wimatiriza. Basirikare zirareba. Mwana ni ngofu mu mugongo agiye kumuhereza. Yamubona nanyi ngofu aramubabarira. Ni assassin. Kumbe ko kafite box irimo intwaro ziba sameze nabi. Nana.
Renier.
Renier.
Father.
Daughter. Father.
Father.
Father. Daughter.
What's wrong?
Your kung fu was inferior. It was very fortunate he held his hand, or you'd be dead.
Mwana wanje kungu fuze ntabwo ari ukuvuga ngo izawe zayikoraho ya bishaka ari kuba wapfuye. Daughter. Nabibonye ko arandusha.
I will kill him.
Take a good rest and heal your injuries.
You heal your injuries. Injury ni ibikomere. Wounds ni inguma. Urumva kuntu ibintu bitandukana, please mufatiraho. Urumva tubisubiremo together. Injuries ni inguma. Another. Father. Mada nayo no kwamukiraho ngo mada. Ibyo bidacha ubijya mara nyagasa cyaza kubita ikigori gigumisha numva kibivuga ngo together another. Umusore yatangiye kwibuka ingoma zaka gasore bari barimo barwana kakandi kitwa Reni. Reni ni umuhungu w'umwami. Kumva ko yakarwanye na Reni yarabatsinze arangije arakomereza ari mu nzira agenda filimi iracyakomeza. Ageze mu nzira arabanza arasutama asa nk'uwacitse bwana rwabugiri. Yatangiye kwibuka byinshi kumbe wa mwami niwe wishe se. Ariko mu kwica se ntabwo ari wenyine yari akana ngire ngo hari utundi twana bashatse kwicira aho ngaho ubwana.
Renze, I told you this day would come. I was thinking we could kill our guest with Renier's hand. We just relax and watch.
Nachatse ko twakwicuriye mushyitsi wacu n'amaboko ya Renier gusa twicaye turateba turatuza.
Now I'm afraid that Renier is no match for this man.
Gusa Renier is no match for this man. Renier ntabwo yahangana n'uriya mugabo ngo bushomore. Uncle,
our guest is not ordinary.
Uriya mugabo ntabwo asanzwe. Our guest is not ordinary. Uriya mushyitsi wadusuye ntabwo ari usanzwe. Tekeza umwicanyi baramwita n'umushyitsi. Renzi,
are you afraid of him?
Uramutinya sara? Are you afraid of him?
Hardly.
That.
Just say the word.
Wevuga ijambo.
And our new guest?
And I do our guest.
I promise you,
ndagusezeranya
will breathe his last breath.
yarahumeka impumeko ya nyuma najya mu maboko yanyu.
Wait for that moment to come.
I wait for that moment to come. Ndategeza icyo gihe umwanya ukigera.
For you to say the word.
Nyakugasa negereje ijambo gusa.
Just keep those brothers fighting.
They won't know who killed them until they die.
You led the slaughter of his whole family.
noneho reka bariya bavandimwe bakomeze barwane nyagasani ntabwo bazigera bimenya kugeza bombi bapfuye
Something.
kumva uyu mugabo afatanije n'iki cyagatwe kabi cya generali nibo bishe umuryango wa kariya gasore kaje mu bwicanyi ka assassin na Reni. Uyu musaza avuga ko yatoragwe ngo ari akana gato n'abavandimwe na wundi barwanaga waje kwica umwami. Niyo mpamvu wundi yabonye inkovu ya Reni arangira amwihorera. Reni yita umwana w'uyu mugabo.
Keep those brothers fighting.
Keep those brothers fighting. Ngo reka abavandimwe bakomeze barwana. Keep those brothers fighting, ntabwo ari brothers.
We'll know who killed them until they die.
They won't notice until they die. Ntabwo bazigera bamenya ko ari n'abavandimwe kugeza bapfuye.
You led the slaughter of his whole family.
Niwe watumye umuryango wabo wose wicwa. You had the slaughter of his whole family.
Left something.
Ariko hari icyo wasize. You left something.
Misery. I've told you to keep your eyes open for him.
Narakubwiye ngo ukanura amaso umunsi ujya kwica abantu. Nyagasani mbabarira.
Mr. Juan.
Nyakwa Juan. Karame Kiwani nahageze.
Can you tell us where our guest is?
He is here.
Watubwira wa musore ari hano hafi.
He's in the residence right now.
Ari hano tuvugira hano. Yaragaruka kukwica mpaka za vinara uko yakwisha. He's in the residence right now. Arahutuye Nyagasani. Umwicanyi uko yari yagarutse. Uwengere ngo yari yavumbuye ko anafite karumuna ke. Gakeka ko rakana kuriya mwami. Kiwani sibwa barangiye ko umugabo ari hano. Yasaza shangurirwa Kiwani. Norye ebyiri. Ebyiri.
Care for a drink?
Egarutse umwana. Wamukubise bwa mbere n'ubwa kabiri aragukubita. Bas. Renzi.
Make sure he's down.
Genda urebe ko kirimo hariya hasi kandi ugishyire hasi. Make sure he's down. Renzi yajya kureba aho kiguye. Bagis. Mwami. Generali. General.
Uncle, there's no way out.
Reka murangize. Nta nzira afite yasohokeramo. No way out. Aho bamunaze bazana karumunaki. Usanga kana kicaye uri umuntu mukuru gaterura ugakubite hasi wicare. Kumbe wa musore aho yarari yatangiye kwibuka byinshi. Uyu musore waje kwihorera se niwe wari umwami ahubwo uriya mwami uriho. He used to be a general. Yahoze ari generali w'umwami. Ngeno. Chimbao. Ekero umwana warwana. Ari maribuka.
Qianyong. From now on,
Where you munsi?
your name is Wang Renyi.
Witwa Renyi.
Daddy, where's Chen Biao?
Chimbao ari he?
Yu Fing, show Qianyong to his bedroom, huh?
Qianyong genda mujyane mu cyumba cye hanyuma hamwereke. Where you munsi yiswe Renyi. Kumbe Chimbao Karen uyu mugabo bamaze kwica iwabo barakazanye umugabo atangira kukarera yari afite akana k'agakobwa ngako agakobwa n'akana ke ku giti cye hanyuma kitwa Kimbaho agakobwa kagiye kabaza ko ntabwo kagaragaye niko kariya kagarutse kwihorera hanjye ni hehe aka kari kakiri gato nubwo kibuka mukuru wako nubwo kibuka family niko kakandi barimo guhanganisha na karumuntu n'agakuru kako barimo kurwana.
Are they all dead?
Bose bapfuye cyane nabahitanye agakobwa ubwiri uwo munsi n'iryo joro twaraje kumva se arimo araganira bose nabarangije hasigaye kariya wizaniye Nyagasani kubera uyu munsi baye umwami na Kimbaho kamwe gato yakapfuye agakobwa kumvise ko Kimbaho kapfuye maze kararira kumba agakobwa kakundaga ka Kimbaho nanjye arizwa n'iki
Kimbaho is dead.
papa ndabumbike ngo mwice Kimbaho mwana wanjye wirira Kimbaho se ko ari umwana ugiye rwabijojere kwirimba iry'abana ryuzuye se abana barapfa buri munsi wa mwana wirira papa mwana wanjye wirira rusororo naho bahazanye irimbi abana kirasiko baracaho birimira kumba agakobwa gatangiye kubyibuka uyu musore waje ashaka kwica se.
I didn't expect you to sneak back in.
Ntabwo naketse kuri bugaruke ubwami wacu.
Don't blame me if you die tonight.
I didn't expect you to sneak this night. Sinigeze nyeka ko ushobora kongera kutwinjirira.
Get him!
Umwice! Baramwataka nanone. Mwana umwami arategetse. Yanyi! Kumba abana n'abateza. Mukuru we ni warimo gukubitisha. We yaje guhora se na nyina bishwe n'umugabo uri hano. Rwanya. Kaita. Kimbaho. Bavandimwe. Fight. Gamba. Fight. Focus. Abashinjire kabicane sha. Nkambi yarahagaze arirebera. Abashinjire baricana. Nkamara reba. Focus. Batingoto. Batisura. Amshinjwe nawe. Abavandimwe zigiri zirimo kurwana zitaziranye. Mami yabwiye wa unigo keep those two brothers fighting. Giye kumwa box abona mu mugongo. Iriya kerekeshoze hari ikirimo. Inkovu yindi. Niba atari akamenyetso. Mark. Yaza kumwa box kandi gahagurutse karamo. Kumbuye akavumbuye.
Tell me.
Ngira.
Where did you get that scar on your neck?
Wabanye he yo scar ku ijosi ryawe. Where did you get that scar on your neck? Iyo nkovu iri ku ijosi wayikuye. Karamukubita ntashaka kurwana nako. Nakabaza nigasubiza. Akajya hasi. Warangije. General aramukurikira. Mwami nashaka ko bamenyana. Ikindi nacambwe ngo barakomeza barwane bazamenyana ruko bapfuye. Yeze imbere kubitana na general.
You're going down.
Urajya hasi. General. Fight. Those brothers fighting. Focus. Barakat. General. General. arongera caho aramugarura karumuna ke karacyakubita ntabwo karamenya kijya mbere yanze kukabwira imbere y'aba bagabo ngo batahita bakamerera nabi nako.
Get up, boy. Fight me like a man.
Haguruka se rwana nk'umugabo utumye n'umusatsi uniye kirihanagura mu musatsi. Fight like a man. Rwana nk'umugabo. Babyiri kuri umwe. Bakurura nk'abajyanye umufuka b'ishyimbo bana rakaye shabu reba ibisura babizinze bakuru uyu musore dore bukacwawe ku mitwe ntabwo bisa mu gihushisha barongera kari umuroka niko kamucakiye akakagorgira.
Where is he?
Agiye mumusha.
Master, look.
Reba agoyane byari byose atiriye hano urumva none dore ukuntu arimo gucira ni nk'incira mushaka.
Can't run far.
Ntabwo ari kure.
He's badly injured.
He's badly injured.
Could barely move.
Yakomeretse nabi kandi ku buryo atagenda neza.
Search. I don't think there's much fight left in him.
I don't think there is much fight left in him.
Now.
Mumushake na namba rimusigayemo mumushake. Shaka bapagasi mumushake. Pagasi barahiga. Yabyiri.
Who is it?
It's me, Renyi.
Renyi.
Oh, she's fine. She's sleeping.
Arasinzini.
Oh,
Ah,
well, nothing special.
sawa.
Don't wake her up.
Mukangura.
I'm leaving.
Ndagiye.
Good night.
Aramucyo mubwire ko ari musaza we.
Disgusting.
Nasike.
He's pestering me.
Marimo kumatiriza.
Thought that you look pretty. Cut your nonsense. But it's true. He wouldn't come here if he didn't like you.
Yego uri yaragukunda niyo mpamvu aza kukureba. Uri na mwiza sivyo? Nubwo wamwita musaza wawe so yanamutoraguye. Ico nacyo ugomba kukimenya urumva. Muri yane urumva.
Miss?
Ntabwo gihe imodoka yawe se amapine aracyari yose. Yeneye kutatobokesheje. Ushaka kumutirije ki?
Where is he?
Hey!
Don't move.
What are you?
Wa mugabo wari wacitse kumbe yaraje yuka mu cyumba cy'umukobwa w'umwami.
Don't be stupid.
Ndagucanga.
Understand?
Ndagucanga dore umukobwa uri n'umwami umukobwa w'umwami.
Injured. You would have died
Uraza
if
gupfa.
our miss didn't save you.
Iyo mukobwa ataza
Slap me
kutabara.
down
Nivuga byinshi.
and then give me candy?
What we said is absolutely true.
Tukubwiye ukuri.
You should be dead.
Yagutabaye wari bagukubise wagira ngo uri ikintu zikizibaho. Horo. Yagutabaye.
We gave you the royal doctor's medicine. Let her go or we'll cry for help.
Zing.
Mureka genda.
Miss,
Zing.
he's a bad man.
Uwo mugabo ni mubi.
Hand that feeds him.
Umuntu ararya ukuboko kwa mugatabaye.
Kill me.
He bites the hand that fed him.
Miss,
Madam,
he's a bad man.
no mugabo mubi.
He bites the hand that feeds him.
He bites the hand that eats him.
Why bother?
Arashaka kuri ukuboko kwa mugaburiye.
Let him kill me.
Mureka nyite.
Things I lie.
Sawa niba keka komesha mureka nyite niba tamtama.
No.
Wa mugabo nyagutamaye. Mugabe kazi nyagutamaye. Sinzi n'ikintu yagukunze urumva nge narebye neza atanye nsanga nazo wigirira akabuno uri muserebende. Hako yagutamaye. Nawe yagize gutya agakobwa arakareka. dore bodyguard bw'umwamikazi yiwe yicanye.
Stop there.
Ntagara
Tell me,
ngira
do you recognize this?
ibura byimuka. Kumba kagakobwa mwibuke niko kara agakobwa gato kabazaga iwabo w'uyu musore kuyu yakize. Maze umusore kamweretse icyo kidari ngo urabyibuka.
Yu Feng is such an...
Yatangiye kwibuka sari umwami arimo kuganira na se w'agakobwa ari generali. Urabona ingofero y'abami dore ngiriya nayo imeze nk'ikizibaho. Umwami niwe wifata iyo midara y'utwana twe tubiri tw'uduhunga arangije na kariya gakobwa kana ka generali yakundaga cyane se w'agakobwa. Mwana banje acira nyagashana ndaduhaye.
Lady,
Kobwa muto.
I really appreciate what you did.
Nakunze ibyo
Not the
wakora.
man you're looking for.
Gusa ntabwo ari mugabo ushaka. I'm not the man you are looking for.
You admit it.
Norye ebyiri dirisha.
Who on earth do you want to kill?
All of my enemies.
So you admit you're Zhang
I am
Jian.
not!
Stop there.
Ntagara.
Don't even think of leaving here
Numve hano.
before telling me who you really are.
Mbere kumbwira ukuri. Ndakwita.
You won't. Otherwise, you would not have saved me.
I say Zhang Qianbao. If you are not him,
Natabaye Chenge Bao niba atari we Chenge Bao wenda guhitana. Kuko natabaraga niwe nashakaga niba atari we Chenge Bao ndakurasa. Yarakiyore yanga kwiyemeza ko ari Chenge Bao. Nambi?
are you Zhang Qianbao or not?
Niwe Chenge Bao.
Not.
Ntabwo ari jewe. Atanabuje umwambi yarawihoreye maze umucaho kumena gukampimaga. I'm changing. Muchumba yewe ayiwe karashaka uziko karimo gushaka gukubita kunoza sha urakabonye tageti yewe urabona akajyana amaboko karashaka kumukubita inuza amavi arakagoronzora urebe arahindukira kuri tageti dore karashaka bugufi karashaka kumuvuna amaguru shaka karashaka kumuvuna shaho urumva mbega agakobwa shaho gafite tageti shaho karimo karapima inuza amavi abiri bastard yitoza agacaho arababarira karabibonye.
Go ahead.
Komeza go ahead. Komeza urukororeba nk'ishwe kigira agishenjewe hano areba nk'isaneni agishenjewe.
Me alone.
Leave me alone.
Don't want to hurt you.
I won't hurt you.
Leave here. Residence of the Grand Commandant.
And who is going to stop me?
Nakuvana ninduri bumagarike se. Niba utemera ko mbano nindi umagarika arakomeza. Ngo utambuka nk'intwari gusa. Batangiye kurira bakabwiye ko atari we Chenge Bao. Yarebye agakobwa karimo wamushenje. Yewe!
Stop right now!
Hagarara nona. Kirakurikira iki gisenzi. Yewe! Gisenzi cyameze kuri mukuru wacyo.
Surround him!
Umuzenguruke.
Let's talk.
So now,
None.
tell me,
Bwira.
anything to say before you die?
Ari icyo ushaka kuvuga mbere yuko upfa.
Kill him!
Mumwice. Kubagira bate. Kiravuze. Mumwice. Yewe. Kumbe. Kirava kibabwiye gupfa. Yewe.
Well now,
Let's see you play away now. Time to learn how to die.
yewe wagira ngo kirababwiye ngo nimupfe kivuze ko umwica none nibo barimo gupfa nimupfe yewe fata fighter brothers in blood.
You cannot escape, even with wings.
Ntabwo uzigera ucika nubwo byaba by'umweru. Arongera arabika, karongera karamuhata. Bishe inkota. Yewe, yewe. Chep, ubinkota. Chotampi, ubinkota. Sirivubure, ubinkota, please. Agiye kongera arongera abona yankuvuye mu rutugu kareka ntabwo ikirenge karamubaze cyane
Well now.
Yes.
You can't run away this time.
Ntabwo kuri intro wacika. You can't run away this time. Wachika. Gakasende burada. Barihe together. Gacheka kwarinde another. Singumesh. Ari benende mother na father. Umwe kandi nyine umwe nasum. One mother, one father.
Who the hell are you?
Uri cyane, who the hell are you?
He has a partner. Send him to hell.
After umwunganizi mumwohereze mu kuzimu. Ngo he has a partner, send him to hell. Mwohereze umwunganizi we mu kuzimu. Bakurikira umwunganizi kumva umwunganizi umutabaye ni rwa rukobwa uriye yita mushiki warwo.
You fitting. I didn't sleep last night. I'm very tired.
Ntabwo naryamye ijoro ryakeye.
Talk later.
No. I can't wait at all.
Ntabwo nategereza ngo tuvugane.
No, I said no. Not.
Oya ndananiwe. Mukobwa yaje kureba unyingirwa musaza we. Ntabwo yaramenya kuriya yakasa amaguru ari mukuru we.
I'm begging.
Get up. I can't wait a moment.
Brother, haguruka. Ntabwo nategereza minenze urumva brother.
You want?
Answer me truthfully.
Ushaka nsubiza ukuri.
What have you done to Wu Ming?
I've done
Wu Ming wamukoreye biki?
to him.
Hajo.
Did you kill him?
No.
Oya.
Just a cut. He might live.
Araza kubaho na mukasa gakeya.
Do you know who he really is?
Do you know who he is?
He's an assassin, isn't he?
He's an assassin. Assassin ni babicanyi batuma.
He is your elder brother.
Ni mukuru wawe. He's your elder brother. Your brother. Damu yikura.
Chen Bao.
Yitwa Chen Bao.
Can this be true?
Kose ni ukuri. Can that be true? Uko kwaba ari ukurira?
I order you. Find him immediately. Princess, if he disobeys...
Babategetse mumushake nona.
No. I will kill anyone that hurts him. Yes.
Ni mumusanga mubona kandi umukora wese ndamuhitana nibyo bodyguard byose mbyana.
You guys follow me.
Mumurikire mwabashenje. Umusenzi aravuze ngo tumukurikire. Abisenzi bakurikira umusenzi kazi. Firimira. Kaga kobwa kibwami ko kahisemo kumushaka wani.
Father.
Dad.
May I have a word?
Na twajya n'ijambo.
Can you tell me again?
Yes, son.
Wakongera ukambwira yego
The
muhungu wanjye.
story
None
of my family's murder?
wambwira ibyabicanyi bishe umuryango wanjye. Iki cyana kiraza nibicanura. Dore generali kuntu yarebye nk'impaga.
True that all were killed?
Why, son?
Umuryango wanjye wose warishwe.
One of them survived?
nta n'umwe wigeze akira. No one of them survived.
I'm afraid.
Mwana wanjye
When I arrived,
magera
saw corpses,
nasanze imirambo,
blood everywhere.
amaraso yuzuye hose.
In such a cruel scene.
Wabishe rwose yari umwicanyi atari kuko uriya mwicanyi urumva yaragiye maze ajya muri meditation yo kubica.
Investigating this horror ever since.
Kuva icyo gihe nari mu iperereza ry'icyo bwicanyi.
You see his body?
That
I did.
na mukuru wanjye baramubonye.
When I arrived there,
Magera yewe
saw your brother first.
nabonye umurambo wa mukuru wawe mbere na mbere.
He fought against the...
Ashabo bari banamubaze nabi shaho bari abashenji barakata urumva. Baramukase bamukata ibyo mu nda nasanze ibifu biri hanze. N'ubusenda babowe n'intuza n'imyishima. Baramubaze urumva. Mwana wanjye.
Recently,
Vuba
I found some clues.
numvishe abashobora kuba barabica.
As you know,
Abicanyi cyane nk'uko ubizi.
assassin, passing for your brother Jiang Chanbao,
Umuvandimwe wishe Chang Bao
to
umuvandimwe wawe
make trouble here.
yarabonywe hano.
You mean the assassin, Wu Ming?
Urabivuga wa mwicanyi Wumingi. Wumingi ni wa wundi waje hano ngo ahise amwita Wumingi ngo niwe ushobora kuba yarishe n'umuvandimwe wawe. Kumbu wavuga ni nawe muzima.
I think he came to kill me.
Ndakeka yaje hano kunyica kuko nari maze kumuvumbura.
And you as well.
Nawe kandi yaje kukwica. Cyongeraho umumunyu.
What?
That.
Assassinate me?
Yes.
Anyica cyane.
He may know that you are Jiang Tianyong.
Azi ko ari we
I
Chenyong.
think the man behind him,
Hanyuma uri inyuma ye.
real murderer.
Hanyuma akaba ashaka kugira ngo baguhitane burundu.
They may
Mbese umuryango wawe aho kuzagira nako kubara inkuru urumva aho kuzagira n'itazi iboneka.
My brother.
They want to finish their evil work.
Baragira ngo barangize akazi kabo kabi. They want to finish their evil work. Nibwo bamuteranyije burundu.
Princess, we found nothing.
Mwamikazi nawe tubonye.
Princess, we haven't either.
Natwe nuko.
Let's find him. Otherwise, don't come back. Yes.
Tumushake nimutamubona murapfa mwo kugaruka hano. Samanya gasani umwamikazi arategetse. Abapagasi barashakisha ye. Kumbe hakuno haragasa nkarwa inzoka. Kari mu nzira kigendera noneho urumva babiri kamaze gushyingura n'uyu umwe gashigaje kwa tarashyingura kageze mu nzira kakarwaya mibe gafungure ha kunuka cyane inzoka zangarutse wangu kumene ko kamutorogeje karamujyana mu kigorofani
Tom?
wangu
Go slowly.
kangu kaboro wangu kangu kawangu urumva kareba nk'akarwaye inzoka sha twese hari ubugabo bwarwaye inzoka nibukure wajya unakana kandi nakagabo gakuru mbese ni nk'uruzingo rwitwa damuru rw'udusafuriya udukombe ubuntu bwose uyo ka damuru wajya unakana nasanze karwana n'utwana kumbe na agasaza shawe safunze n'isura.
Take it easy.
Wangu
There are no villages here.
umvango hano nta baturage bahari wambwe ngo ngugeze hano hataba abantu ariwo nguparika mereza ibyanjye n'ikireho.
You may leave now.
You may leave now.
Sure. Just go.
Tera baruzingo. Wangu n'ibyana bijya binyongoza nkanswe wo mugabaye. Damura cawo. Inzoka shazi meze nabi shaburiya uziko n'abantu batarwara mibe sha. Abantu basana n'icyo bapfana. Do. Gacawo. Umugabo ko bakamukasa amaguru. Filime ruracyakomeza. Jebjiri Jebjiri
Tianbao.
Tianbao.
On earth are you?
nakubwiye
Tian Bao,
Tian Bao kumbe karavuga
it's you.
ni wowe
Yeah,
What are you doing?
I'm here to help. To find him.
nanjye kubera iki
I say no,
navuze ngo
and I mean it.
kandi nibyo mvuga
Just give me a reason.
ni impamvu
I'm afraid that you'll hurt him.
nkurangiye wari wamubabaza
I swear that I
ndarahira
won't do any harm to him.
ntabwo ndi bumubabaze tumushakane none
Please, Princess.
mwamikazi
Please trust me once.
nyizera rimwe sibyo
If you lie now, I'll never talk to you ever again.
mubabaje ntituzongera no kuvugana yewe mushenzi waje uyu mukobwa ko nanjye rwose nubwo bari se yantoraguye nanjye numvaga none mushenzi kumbe UNB yao musatsi amazina y'inyakuri gasatsi UNB yao
Looks like a dead body.
metire uriya muntu kwasa n'akarambo
Okay.
manuke kumureba UNB yao nimwe mbatoraguye wa muntu uwo mugabo amazina y'inyakuri bamwita UNB yao benshi bamwita gasatsi abandi ngo ni musatsi abandi ngo ni rusatsi gusa amaze gukura imyaka si ikintu zamura
Raise it.
zamura UNB yao yatangiye gufasha wa muntu yatoraguye gasatsi
Yes! I'm so used
ariko izi nguruguru
to it! Say Tian Bao!
ntacyo nakora
You're pathetic!
ibi ni iki
Apprentice,
ngo waruzingo
don't give up.
wimanika amaboko wiva ku bintu
Fire makes good steel. A sword needs to be forged and skillfully formed.
nk'uko umuriro urema icyuma gikomeye
Powerful weapon.
n'inkota bakabanza kuyityaza kugira ngo ikomere nawe uramutse witoje ibyo urimo wavamo intwari itoroshye
Now, raise your leg.
zamura akaguru we please bastard zamura inguruguru inguruguru ze sha yarazirebye ntabwo agishobora guhaguruka barazikase shawe raise your leg
Come on.
gira Ayiwe, ayiwe. Zamura wa ruzingo rw'umwojo. Ruzingo rw'umwojo bararutegeka kuzamura.
Princess, I have caught 2 people who know the man.
Mbonye abantu babiri baza bari. Nyamikazi baramuzaniye.
She knows where the young man is, Princess.
Uyu
Oh,
mudamu arahaza hari.
little girl, tell me where he is.
Kobwa muto bwira hari.
If you lie to me,
Ntumbeshye.
I won't be easy on you.
Sindi bukorohere. I won't be easy on you.
Teach them a lesson.
Bayikigo.
Madam,
Madam,
he's at my home.
ari wanjye urumva dore kuna amatama yatukuye si byaho kugira ngo mwongere mudukubita ari iwanjye.
How long will this take?
Man, bukuku wantabaye ko.
God, please help me.
Mana mfasha. God, please help me.
Where's my family yet?
Mana mwambari ukamfasha koko. Bavuga ngo Imana imufashe. Amafarashi zari zije. Na mukobwa w'ubwami. N'abapagasi.
Tian Bao!
Chingi bao.
Tian Bao!
Chingi ba. Chingi bao.
Tian Bao! I found you finally.
Nyuma na nyuma ndakubonye.
Why do you deny it? What happened to you?
Ntabwo ari jewe. Wabaye iki? Ruzingo rw'umwojora.
Soldiers, bring those 2 people over.
Go! Go!
Basirikare muzane babantu hano.
Keep going.
Yanze kwivuga ko ari we Chingi bao. Mwamikazi
You still deny it,
uracyahakana.
I will kill him.
Ndabica. Nubu ugihakana ko atari we Chingi bao. nyina wa undi bajya gukata umutwe
My son.
ndakwingiza
He's my only son.
he's my only son niwe muhungu wenyine mfite
Go ask him.
bazuriya muntu uri haniya ntabwo ari njyewe musaba imbabazi uriya nakuvuganye umwana wanjye amabari mukecuru wihebe banga inama wihebe
Lady,
mama
you have saved me.
you saved umwana
Have you
wawe
kneeling?
I don't know what happened.
sinzi mupfa urumva ariko umwana wanjye yipfa urumva
I beg you to
yipfa mukecuru cyaravuga nabi shawe
stop, please. Please don't let them kill him.
bakorera icyo bashaka niba ari no kukwita bakwite ariko umwana wanjye yipfa mukecuru ari hano ni jyewe nshinga imbaho him ni jyewe we
Zhang Tianbo.
ni jyewe nshinga imbaho generali abapagasi inyuma bayobowe na koporo
You want?
By order of His Majesty, you cannot leave. For
itegeko rya his majesty nyagasani umwami yategetse ngo niwava muri icyo cyumba niwatambuka hanyuma amajigo niwe uri buzajya arinda hano niko nanjye bategetse
I need to see my father.
nkeneye kubona data ni gute yabategetse icyo kintu
He's
atambaje
busy.
so niko antegetse
Sure, he was.
bafite akazi kenshi majigo arakurinda nta winjira nta n'usohoka bakuvumbuye ko ushobora kuwukorana na dudu majigo amabwiriza urayazi cyane bose cyane majigo asigara aho ngaho majigo ko yagasigaye aho ngaho agakobwa bari batangiye gukeka ko gakorana n'uyu musore cenga bawu Empire of Africa umusore ko kandi yicaye nawe yatangiye kwibuka ari kumwe n'ako gakobwa sakira umwami ari utwana aribuka ari byinshi barimo katorore
Flying! It's flying! Tianbo, let me try now. Like this?
Stop.
agarara
What are you doing, Master? His Majesty's orders.
ni itegeko kuva ku mwami urumva kingi yavuze ikintu kiba cyavuze wowe waruzinga urabizi ko ndumuhungu umwami birakureba
Prince,
mwami
please don't be hard on me.
nyagasani so yambujije
Move away.
va mu nzira wagisenzi va mu nzira cyangwa ayo mabinga tuyagabanemo kabiri kivayo
Princess,
namikazi
how could this be?
ni gute bishoboka
It's a long story.
ni inkuru ndende
Renier, I have no way out
remyi nta nzira mfite nsohora sibyo wekora ibishoboka nka musaza wanjye urumva
here.
uzambwire n'ibindi byose urebe ko ntazabyemera ariko usohoka
Everything will be all right soon.
byose biramera sawa
Wouldn't help me. Okay,
niba
you
utari bumfasha
and never come back.
ntuzagaruke nawe uruhande rwanjye
You think? You think?
yufingi kame
What? I don't know what I can do.
sinzi icyo gukora
If you think you are Wang Renier, you can go.
niwe remyi ari we remyi
Qianyong, help me out.
niba kandi uzi kuri remyi kiyongiyongo genda umfashe urumva izina rye rya gishinwa rya kabiri kiyongiyongo urumva ikiyongoyongo rero nk'umuntu umfasha kiyongiyongo agomba kugira icyo akora shaho shinwa bagira amazina shaho ubu wakumva bumva havuye n'undi bakavuga ngo mwebwe hakuno kuba wa musore ajya gutozwa na UNBL abamutoraguye master UNBL yagarutse ari metere tangira kwibuka kirakana ari kumwe n'aka gakobwa nanone acanga na karumunake aribuka ari utwana karumunake niwe wagateye inkovu ku ijosi niyo mpamvu barwanaga kakabaza ngo iyo nkovu wayitewe n'iki aranagahe karabyibuka zose kabisa ayiwe ayiwe wasanga ari mukuru wanjye natemaguye we kumbi ikina cyaho kiri cyatangiye kwitoza ibi ni iki ku muntu yaba ari n'ikiranya ahubwo ibi ni iki boka toy dore we yarasatse we police yewe bari muri umuna we yewe yatangiye gukeka ko ashobora kuba yibagiye mukuru w'ibirenge shaho ayiwe kiyongo Yongo. Yongo umunsi kirica umuntu tu. Yewe. Biniki, ayiwe. Ayi. Che. Firimira. Karica umuntu kabisa. Urumva noneho. Filime mwayishyira ngahe? Sibyo noneho. Urumva mwanyibye gusa. Musanga bamu buroro shabwe inkoko sha.
Open the door.
Mana nyagaze mufungura urugi.
Going on.
Uri mu biki?
Princess is trying to kill herself.
Mwami kazarashaka kwiyica mufungura urugi.
But we cannot.
Utabare kandi napfa we majigo shawe matama mwamara kwica.
It's been erratic.
Harenda kwiyahura ngo mwamufungiranye muramubuza gutabara.
I cannot.
Ntabwo nabafungurira umwami yabuje.
Keep finding. But remember, if something happens, it's on your head.
If something happens, it's on your head. Wowe ruzingo nibi hagira ikiba ku mwami kazi biri ku. Yewe mwami kazi.
Make way.
Princess.
Mwami kazi.
I am leaving now.
Ndagiye.
Stay out of my way.
Mube mu nzira yanjye.
Don't follow.
Cyangwa majigo mpebe mwijigo ry'ibumoso ririce ndabizi.
I mean it.
Mube mu nzira mwabasenzi.
Yes.
We mwegera inyuma mwabashenzi mwe munana ko amaye mwambi. Ndimo ndababara bastard. Harundi urimo kubabara mwegera inyuma rero. Byegerayo. Mwami kazi arashaka kuva hano.
All of you stay back.
Kumenya inyuma mwabashenzi we kwanza wowe nawe urareba nk'urwaye inzoka. Mwese mwegera we ureba nk'imaga wowe. Mwegereyo.
Please think about this.
Mwami kazi bari bitekereze usuraza kunyicisha so naza. Mwegere warutsingo werwa mabingama. Kinyogote mwegereyo.
Understand.
Mwami kazi wanyumvishe ko.
Let you run out.
Ntabwo natumugenda.
Please stop now.
Say it again.
Go angera bivuga mwereke. Oya ngaho genda none ugenda. Sibyo genda. Mwami kazi.
Back.
Subira inyuma. Princess. Mwami kazi.
His Majesty will not let you go.
Yewe. Atamikunda.
Father.
Yewe musajya yiciye. Father. Rwabugiri uziko ni Bugande Rwabugiri bamurasha umwambi niho mufata sha no muri Kongo sha.
Go.
I want to go as I please.
You can go nowhere.
Why?
What I'm doing is for your own good.
Is that...
Of course it's...
If that's what you mean, you should not lock me up.
Doing this for your protection.
You still treat me like a child.
To your room. Up to you.
Father!
I'll lock you up forever if you're not obedient.
Hey! Abapagasi barafunze. Ariko se kumbe hakuru ariko shawe. Sekisa. Seki? Please, ikekisa wasanga ari kiyongo. Babivuga neza mu gishinwa mujye mwitonda muvuga mu gishinwa.
Princess.
Nami kanzana uje kugutabana ngwaye umukozi. Kamata kogota hapa. Ni Giswahili kogota.
This is your chance.
Nami kazi zamuka urumva zamuka umukomando urumva filime twabonye ziki zamuka. Basanga namwe muza muri filime mutazi kinyambere niba bayi imigozi muzaca muri parafu. Yasi cyagariwe. Abarindi hanze bararinze shaho. Umwami kazi muri icyo gicuka itacika na bwa bukobwa bwe bubiri. Nibwo bupakasi bwe yifitiye. Bumwe mu mutwazi bikariso urumva ubundi bukamutwaza. Mbeze akobwa ibintu bitwaza shaho. Nihute.
I'm going.
Ndagiye. Ugiye.
Renyi, it's you.
ni wowe
I can't give you more help.
umva nabona ubufasha nzagufasha
Take care.
wiyiteho sibyo
Don't get caught.
don't get caught ntuzafatwe
Father will.
hari koti ni ugufatwa by'ahazaza n'ahahise niko bavuga nako ahahise bavuga kaci
To give you yours.
kobwa mutoya
Renyi.
yibonera kwishyura ukizana
Yin Zing, please do me a favor.
rini zeni
Look after the princess
muzite ku mwamikazi
once I'm not with her.
We will, Prince.
tuzamikora
Say no more.
kobwa
At
cyane
daybreak, leave the city.
at the daybreak leave the city umunsi n'uba utandukanye gutyo uza kuva mu mujyi ugenda ukobwa se kubita imfubyi wiyibwiriza kurira urumva kubita urwana rwavumba ntukarubwire ngo narira wowe kubita rukiriza nawe ururijije
Renier,
renye karame papa
come here.
ino hano yegera se ingirwa se
Do you know who
Uzi-
took Yufing away?
yupinga uzi wamujyanye
She is now.
uzi naho ari
I don't know.
ibizi
Actually,
mu by'ukuri
you know everything.
byose urabizi actually you know everything
I saw you grow up.
narakubonye ukura
I cared for you.
nakwitayeho
I never forgot to find the ones who murdered your family.
sinigeze nibagirwa bishe umuryango
Stop
wawe
looking for them.
nahoze
For
mbashakisha
your effort.
I know what you're thinking.
nzi n'ibyo utekereza
Let me down!
mushyire hasi
Let me down!
mushyire hasi
Naughty girl!
umukobwa kaje gufata wa musore kamukura aho ngaho
Nobody plays with you, do they? What, are you bored?
You have no choice. The only thing I need is you.
But I don't want to go.
amahitamo ufite icyo ngomba gukorera ni wowe icyo nyine ni wowe ngwino niyo mpamvu turimo gucika nanjye navuye iwacu aza gucikisha wa musore aho yari ari
No worries. But why? Why have you changed?
Everyone changes.
warahindutse ariko buri muntu arahinduka igihe gihe cyari kirekire twara abana ni gute wazahinduka maze
I owe you something.
ngabo king mwami kungirwa muhungu we.
Father!
data hey
Father!
data father
What are you doing?
If you think that I'm the murderer,
niba ukeka ko ari jye mwicanyi
your entire family,
uyu muryango wawe wose oya data
then kill me.
ngaho nyica
Know that you have begun to believe the rumor that I killed your family.
utangiye kumva ibigambo ko ari jye wishe umuryango wawe mwana wanjye
I give you a chance to take your revenge.
waye amahirwe ihorere
Come on.
bikore
I owe much to you.
ntabwo
How
bishoboka
could I bite the hand that fed me?
ni gute narwanya ukuboko kwangaburiye
Why did you bring me here?
icyo nzanyanda
Is this place familiar?
ahantu waba uhazi agakobwa kamuzanye ahantu bakuriye bakiri inzavumba abana bombi inzavumba bari abana b'inkende nari nibagiwe mwihangane ko bwamweretse ahantu aramubwira ngo hano hantu urahibuka umusore atangira kwibuka ari tubiri koko twombi twari inzana
Oh, hi!
Those old days
minsi ya kera those old days
of my life. When I heard of your death,
urupfu rwawe
I was very sad.
ababaye
I knew
nari mbizi
you couldn't be dead.
nari mbizi ko utapfuye
I prayed to God
nasabye imana
to bring you back to me,
to bring you back to me izakungarurira
Fred.
mbere kumvira urumva ubwo umenya kuri imbata y'imana navuye mu nkoko ndasenga koko nk'umukirisitu
Now there is a miracle.
none igitangaza cyabaye nawe there is a miracle
Hope
wagarutse
that you pull yourself together.
nawe gerageza wisuganye
I hope
nizera
you can do this for us.
abikora ku bwacu I hope you can do it for us hope ni ibyiringiro believe no kwizera ufite ibyiringiro ko wabikora ku bwacu
Both know that
namizi
both things have happened between us.
moromisi mi
You suffered so much,
warababaye cyane
and you want to disown me.
turashagana
I
igihe
won't blame you. I only hope that we are still the boy and girl from the past.
ndacyari wa mukobwa wahayise jewe.
Impossible.
Ntibishoboka.
Oh,
Ndashoboka.
how hard it is to avoid my father. To come here to be with you.
Bose bararize. Sasa rero ibigabo byarize byo birakapfa. Uziko ibigabo iyo birize abagabo bashabarira nabi nibibinyira biraza mister. Bana kitapfunyira. Cyapfunye cyanyagupfa.
To you.
Nangwana ukubyankabanye. Nangwana ukubyankabanye. Ntango bishoboka.
Make it right.
Nangwana ukubyankabanye. Nyina kugona muna umuntu yazajya atobokesha ni murugo ari izwe nanije kihari.
Live a peaceful life here.
Ngezana ni mukabyinshi.
I know you hate my father.
Ndabizwanga data.
Don't want to make excuses for him.
Gusa jewe none ntazindi mbabazi ni mukwanza.
Just allow me to look after you.
Nabizi data yaraguhe mu kibuga cyo cyane ukukwitaho. Bana kuntu sha umugabo aruta se w'umuntu sha. Igikobwa kirutishije umugabo wacyo se sha. Papa genda unamwite nuko namamangira nawe ukamuhita bastard. Mugabo ni ikintu gikomeye kuko uranejeje kabisa sinarinze koze ko diplome ya mbere ari umugabo. Abandi turabahitana tu. Diplome jani ikintu gikomeye. Uriko umuntu yabera agahitana umuntu witambika kuri diplome. Muko ngiye kukubera impamya yabumenyi uzajya ugenda umpresente. Primira. Bya bipagase kazi byararebye nabyo birapfunuza. Nkene zishaje. Oscar Ruhaya uri hehe? Oscar ngo bazige bamwita se kurume kubera impumuro mbisha. Kubera impumuro mbi. Ibi ni iki?
We shouldn't be fooled by him.
We, uriya musore naza kugira umusuko.
Is this true?
Papa nukuri.
Of course.
Cyane, of course.
If I were the one who killed your father,
Yiza kuba rye wishe so.
why didn't I kill you?
Kuki wese nakwishe? Why didn't I kill you? Ko papa. Usikuva kuri papa.
Father.
Ntabwo ari wishe data. Papa sibyo? Yego nyine.
Go and find you Fing.
Genda ushake uriya
Kill
musore.
her
Umwice.
and bring you Fing back unscathed.
Hanyuma umukobwa wanjye umunzanire hano kandi nabuzane. Papa. Kanye kwicuriya mushenzi.
I bow. Yes, Your Majesty.
Yaba karame papa.
Take it.
Akira.
Keep an eye on Wang Renyi.
Renyi
If he disobeys my orders,
nansusukura.
kill him immediately.
Uze kumwica ako kanya, kill him immediately. Kiyongo natumvira amategeko y'uyu musaza ngo ahita mwica. Sasa uriya bamutumye kwica umuvandimwe we Mabinga nawe baramutumye ngo nikiramuka kinsuzuguye gato. Nicyo kica araka. Nyitozo. Madamu na diplome. Ayoe, sheri. Karame sheri.
Mr. Zhang,
Nshaka gukunda ni byiza sha.
it's beautiful.
Ni mama horo no kwambara isubizo. Ya ndirimbo y'abarokore. Aga, itoso. Yewe, uyu mucango sha uri mu rurove sha. Sheri, karameshe. Ibi ni iki? Dere mucango katwe dere. Sheri. Bambaraga mwihangana atagira uko kingira ku ntebe zanjye mukarasa televiziyo. Ndabazi bambaraga ndabazi. Sheri, nyitozo iri mu rurove rwinshi shaho. Abashe ubu hatimba namukazi. Abanye kunna kwepye.
What do you see, sir?
Ibingi byari byaje kurunguruka sasa cyamba minga wakibwe ngo cicere nyi ukiyonyo
Trash!
abashenje sha
Kill him while his guard is down.
tavuba umuswa vuba hanyuma umwana w'umwami tumusubizeyo kumbe cyamba binga uyu yarumva ari cya raka Kyongyong ni mu Gishinwa mu Kinyarwanda ni kiyongoyongo n'Abanyarwanda babamo kumva kinyogote kiyongoyongo.
Who are you?
Urinde
I'm your nightmare.
Inzozi zawe mbi, I'm your nightmare.
Good to see you.
Kiza kubona good to see you.
I've been waiting.
I'm
narategereje
here.
none ndi hano
You're dead.
I will not regret
urapfa ntabwo rwose nzigira
if I
nicuza
die by your hand.
nicwa nawe
Because you're my brother.
kuko uri umuvandimwe wanjye because you're my brother
Brother?
brother
You weren't my brother.
ntabwo uri umuvandimwe wanjye hari da wumva mora you ain't my brother
I was almost fooled by you.
wari ungize umuswabuze gato
I must kill you today.
ngomba kwica umunsi basi cyaramubeshye
Wait!
buretse
Fighting. I have a lot of things to tell you.
ibintu byinshi byo kukubwira
Kill me in hell.
ndabaza nkwica ubone kubimbwira maybe you will tell that to me in hell umva ko bicyagusubiza
Wait!
buretse
Let's stop fighting. I have a lot of things to tell you.
mfite byinshi byo kukubwira
You can tell me in hell.
you will tell me in hell ngo uzabimbwirira mu kuzimu araka bogisi karumunaki ayiwe
Legs have healed.
unkubise ute
Of course.
n'imbaraga
You broke them. Tenzong cured them. Unexpected?
uratongowe kuva kera sinishatse kugukubita
You'll be a lame forever.
ndagukubita sha karikora roda karo arakongera arakongera aranagakurikirana
Changyang!
niko kamuhaye niko kamuhaye yaza kugakubita arababarira ko kakamuha urada together bahanganye one mother one father nyina umwe sumwe one mother one father together barakubitana
Princess!
mami kansa
Princess!
mami
Where is Chandal? Princess,
Everybody.
he isn't in the room. Go and have a look.
ari mu cyumba ngwino urebe
I don't know.
simbizi ngwino urebe icyumba cyazambye
Miss, what happened?
madamu gisaza bwa mbere cyagambanye cyitwa kiwani
And now,
mari baragamba kumbe noneho
Princess!
mami kansa
Come here!
ngwino urebe ukuntu umuntu yitunira come back cyangwa ariko si ibi ni abashenji kamejeje fight ushenji uchanga chanindera mami kazi entering the fighting mami kazi injira mu ntambara we fight kamba kick somebody arwanjemo nenada winjiye mu rugamba we
Chandal!
chenge bao chenge bao ninde bikoze niba ari kiyongoyongo
Chandal!
chenge bao
Chandal!
chenge bao
Chandal!
diporome nuko diporome umuntu icika kandi hamwe muri examination council nta diporome photocopy zibayo norya byiri idirisha
Is everything going all right?
All's well.
mesawa byose
What?
iki
You? Wang Renyai, how does it feel
diporome meze ute
to kill your brother?
kwica umuvandimwe wawe General, niba wabimwibwiriye urumva umeze ute wishe umuvandimwe wawe how does it feel to kill your brother General Muchari Empire of Assassins. Narcos. Fight! Highway! Chết ta, tao ơi! Thằng ơi! Kick! Chơi dê mình trên đây! Chơi trên đây! Mshenzaji. Mshenzi kumbe nguli. We! Bastard. Ng'ombe yako na maminga uruwaho. Aiwe. Maminga.
Hi, Bao. You... Sorry, Master.
I
had no choice.
Rangu na yandi baita mfanda yambwiye. Bamsenzi.
Betrayed me.
Urangambani.
It's not me who betrayed you. It is you who betrayed us.
Wewe watugambani nagajaja. Generali. My friend is he? Shago pako umuntu ni ibintu byoroshye shaho. Uzi ko umuntu ameze nk'inkoko. Kombe hakuno. Musatsi yararebaga UNBL. Niba yaratabaye ndi amujyana muri Shaolin Temple. Me no for. Shaolin Temple batoragura n'agakobwa k'umwami nako bajya kukagira Shaolin. Ntago baza abantu batoraguye.
From now on, you would be devoting your life to the Buddha.
Where you monso umubuzima bwawe bwose uzabuha Buddha. Devoting your life to the Buddha.
Everything past.
Wibagiza hahise n'ibyahise.
Do that.
Tekereza ibyiza n'ahagana heza gusa Buddha niko avuga.
Wang Rince, come out! Wang Rince, come out! Come out, Wang Rince! Kill me if you have the guts!
Bamukubise urubaho ibibaho maze arasinzira none yakangutse ngo nibazamwice niba bafite umutima. If you have the guts.
Not. You're a contemptible worm!
Thank you, ciao.
Even if I become a ghost, okay?
Even if I become a ghost, I hunt you down.
Ha!
Worm, coward! Urumva kuna boss baseka abantu bakuru mwigi iyo misekere. Nugera kwa pempe nubwo waba ufitemo igihumbi abantu bazaje bakuba bavuga ati sha uyu muntu ni hatari.
You worm!
I didn't give him many chances. Otherwise, he would have killed me.
General Wang requests his orders, sir.
No need to ask. Them now. I don't need to...
bari bamucuritse shaho gatebe gatoki. Bamufunze nibizibaho. Tano kwibuka wa musore barwanaga amubwira ati ndi mukuru wawe anga kumva. Niwe witereje mukuru w'imyangaro. Tenge pawo. Yibuka.
I didn't expect.
Ntabwo ari kunabicekaga.
I would die like a trapped rat.
I didn't expect I'll die like a trapped rat. Sinigeze kunyeka ko ndapfa nk'imbeba yatezwe. Kombe ari Shaolin zaje zitabaye umwana w'umuntu. Abase ni Yesu je ninde. Ni ba mareka boherejwe. igiti.
Brother, I must take you with me.
Muvandimwe tuje gutabara rwakuturangiye turatahana tu.
Brother, leave here.
Vandimwe vano.
Don't bother about me. Leave now.
Varugende. Shauriri. Ndabahata igiti sha. Ndabakubita. Umure, jya Shauriri barabukasa. Yewe.
Don't bother about me. I deserve the consequence.
Urugabo ni ruzimu. N'abari Shauriri banshizemo imitsi urumva umuravumba n'umuhoko. None naje. Wala. Bamutse. Ibyo Shauriri zirakora. None yigarukiye. Taking him with him. Taking you with me. Fata. Ndabakubita. Aransunitse. Muzewe arangomeze. Raka. Brothers in blood. Muvandimwe maraso. Yewe. Yeteta tabayikata yewe.
Brother!
Muvandimwe brother. Dad. Kyung.
Don't come over.
Wisahan.
Right now.
Gendele tune.
Bother about me, brother.
Muvandimwe baraguhitana none wagize amahirwe warokotse aryo wakwitereye urwuma. Kyungo.
Hey, hurry.
Gendele go away.
Go away.
Banu gende. Umuhoko waramuvuye. Shauriri shaze ifite n'imiravumba ariko karubamba. Fight! Rugamba!
Leave here!
Rugamba! Fight! Yewe! Nabica. Yewe!
Brother, watch out!
Muvandimwe tunga. Ati bibaho umugabo buramanuka. Yewe! Cheda tabu. Brother hasi. Brother wamanutse. Brother ndaje ducanga abana b'abantu. Brother, together. Ngwino tubacange turi kumwe.
Are you all right?
Yes, sir.
I'm okay.
It's okay.
Brother,
Brother,
you shouldn't risk your life.
ntabwo wakabaye ntabara.
You're my blood brother. My only brother in the world.
Niwe muvandimwe nasigaranye.
Brother.
Brother, turi kumwe. Are we together? Together. Uko babona aho ngaho ni one mother, one father. Bombi ni ba brother. One mother, one father. Together. Ngabo baroje barabonana another day. Undi munsi. Wewe yagira ari cyongereza numva ngumirwa. Another day. Baronje barabonana.
Well, look here.
Muri hano sha.
A brother reunion show.
Brother union show. Nimyiyereko y'umuryango w'abavandimwe.
Get out.
Tugikubita.
We live together.
Tugere tumukubita ariko turi kumwe.
Kill them both.
Mubice bombi.
It's their funeral today.
Uyu munsi ni umunsi w'ikiriyo cyabo. It's their funeral today. Uyu munsi ikiriyo cyabo gitangire. Baraka! Umugabo buraza. Brother, tubakubite together. Together.
Get them. Take them down.
Together. Brother, another. One mother, one father. Mugabo zirazamuka. Together, another. Fight. Rugamba. Hey, ibi ni iki? ibi ni iki ariko umuntu uzamuka hano ngiye mbona ari n'ikiroge ibi ni iki together fight brother one mother one father oje bahuye kundi munsi another day fight ndavuga n'icyongereza numva kirantungura together another day filime yarangiye kuko ndambiwe nanjye Yesu ashimwe haleluya irarangiye bantu bakuru sinzi uko igenze igimanyu cyayo gikurikira ntugicikwe yitwaga rya zina ryayo Empire of Assassins ubwami bw'abicanyi niyo twaruraga yari yanga kuva mu The One Video Library igice cyayo gikurikira ntugicikwe